Hello, my name is Oscar Bart. Welcome in this presentation. Today I'm going to talk about what do you mean by mood board. A mood board is a document that contains different colors that are conveying a specific message. If you can see here in this small mood board, you can see different colors that can convey specific message. For example, we are having different toys here that are having different colors. For example, here this toy is called multi-purpose toy. This can convey, we're having like blue, yellow, and others. So when you want to buy to your kids a specific toy, really it's better to choose what kind of color you need to buy. For example, for the girl, you should choose to buy a color that is similar to pink. However, for boys, you can choose blue. I think they can be happy once they can see different kind of colors. Here you can see also another kind of toy. This really is amazing. If you choose this kind of toy really for your kids, it can help you. We are having also another that is similar to an instrumental music. It's like a keyboard. This keyboard can help your kids to learn how to play music. Don't remember that is a dog. This toy is similar to dog. This can help your kid to learn how to care the dogs at home. Something that is interesting is a toy that is similar to an aircraft. Some people don't know what you mean by aircraft. As you are buying your toy to your children, remember that if your kid needs a toy, remember to use a specific toy that can help even your kids to learn more. Also, this can help your kids to move from one place to another. This is similar to a car. You can see this, all of this really can help your kids to make amusement. So you can ask yourself, why did I choose such kind of toys? Really, I want to attract more customers, as Acme Widget is launching new products which are generation. The purpose of selecting such kind of toys is to help the customers or to attract more customers so that they can buy our toys. Thank you for your kind attention.